I'm about to wash my hair because, as y'all saw by the intro, I'm going to be locking my hair, but I have to wash it first because this is like my regular natural hair and it's super dirty. I don't know if you can tell. I got a bunch of gel in it. So of course, if I'm going to be locking my hair, I have to start off with fresh, clean hair because I don't want to go into my lock journey with disgusting hair. That would defeat the whole purpose of healthy locks, and I want to have bomb, luxurious, healthy locks. We're not going to start the official process until tomorrow, but to make it easier on Courtney, my girlfriend who's doing the lock process for me, the instant lock process, I'm going to be washing my hair tonight so she can part it. And if she has the parts done today, she won't have, because honestly I feel like the parts are the longest process for me because you have to really pay attention to what you're doing. Everything else is just routine, but the parts, we got to do that. We're going to do that tonight at home. So I'm be washing my hair and we're going to get to parting my hair. So to wash my hair, I'm going to be using this Maui stuff. This is the Maui thick and curly hairline, and I also have the hair mask for dry and damaged hair. My hair is not dry and damaged, but I mixed some oil in here, and this is just, even if your hair is not dry and damaged, it's really good for your hair. So I don't think I'm going to be using this conditioner. If I do, I'm probably going to just put this on first and then mix it with this on my hair. So I'm going to wash my hair with this, but I'm just using this because this line is like super moisturizing, and I want my hair to be super moisturized starting off my locks, because locks are like, all the locks I've experienced in my life have been like dry, and they just have a natural dry feeling to them. So I want to at least try to give it a lot of moisture before I start them off, so we can just start good, I guess. Deep conditioner in, which is this Shea Butter hair mask by the same brand, Maui, and I'm gonna keep this on for 15 minutes and then I'm gonna wash it out. She made fake dreads. Well, it's not fake. Well, they are fake. They lock extensions. It's human hair, so she can attach this to somebody's real hair, but this is what she's gonna, wow. This is what she's gonna do to my hair. Like, this is actual human afro hair. And then she just insta-locked it, so this is the same exact thing she's gonna be doing to my hair. So, I just got done washing and drying my hair. So, if you wanna know what my hair texture is, it's about this loose curl right here. But my hair texture is not very tight. Like, if you can tell, I'm looking in this big old mirror behind me. That's why I'm like looking up like this. But my hair is right now air drying, so this is what my hair looks like. And if you want to know how long my hair is post, is that the word, post, before locking, my hair stops here. So after insta locking, it's probably gonna be right at my shoulder, like bald headed girl length. I'll insert a picture of what Courtney is assuming my hair, the length of my hair is gonna be. I don't know this girl. These are all Pinterest pictures and inspirational pictures that I found. Anything I post that's not me. This is all my hair. That's how my hair looking. So my hair is just air drying. So once it gets done air drying, we're gonna go in and start parting. Got done parting my entire head. She's gonna work on one lock tonight, but she's not gonna be locking my hair till tomorrow. But I'm gonna get her to come in here and show you guys my parts and details. But my hair is parted to have thick locks, like not like thin little ones. I'll show you my girlfriend's locks and then I'll tell you guys like mine's bigger than hers. Well, I'm telling you now, they're bigger than hers, but you'll see her. She has like average, normal size, and I'm getting mine's a little thicker than average.
These are her parts, y'all. basically all I gotta do is crochet the rest of this. Basically forming the lock that she wants. Because she wants pretty thick locks. And I feel like this was the best parting to give her. Also, I did the brick lay pattern. So basically it's like when a lock, the base of the lock stands in between the window of two other locks. That way it makes it easier for styling in the future.
Take off your condom, your hair condom. Oh, snappy. I put jewelry on her locks. Look, I can't wait to put some on mine. Are about the size of hers. I'm gonna put them on my hands so you can see them.
All different sizes.
She has different sizes, but you can tell these ones are pretty much all the same size in the middle. She has about the same size, but yeah, mine are bigger than yours, right? What you would say, like double or like?
I wouldn't say double.
Like 1.5 of yours? Got done doing one. You see it? You gotta show.
Let me show you.
Oh, I'm so excited.
So, this is the lock, guys. Look at her. Look at her.
I can't breathe. Guys, I got a lock. I have a lock. Look at that. This is mine. I have a lock. My hair, I have one lock. This is crazy. I have one lock. And it took her like 10 minutes to do this thing. Like, that ain't nothing. Oh my gosh. I have a lock. I have a lock. Look at my lock. My little lock. I got one lock.
Tomorrow. Later.
Just showing you guys a little update.
We're taking a food break, but this is how far we are with my hair. We did pretty good. Courtney's trying to figure out what food to order. The last lock she's working on right now is right here. This is the one that she still has to
Two more
insta-lock.
rows and one more in a different row to go.
You got how much?
I got 2 more rows, which is 3 and 3, and then I got 1 more lock out of a different row to finish.
So
Alicia
7?
made me stop.
So you was working on the 7th lock that's left? That's what I'm saying. You got yes, I know, ugly. But yeah, we're taking a food break. I just wanted to show you guys. You were so disrespectful. I'm gonna stab you. Oh, I'm gonna stab you with the crochet thing.
Please, I'm sorry.
Got 2 more left. She's going over one of them, but I only got 2 more left. So So we're done. She's done doing the Insta lock method, so now we're gonna count my locks. She thinks I have 53 locks. I think I have 56. And Cheyenne, how many do you think we have?
She said 60. She can't change it.
You can change it up until she count them.
Tell me your number, nigga.
Cheyenne think I got 60 locks.
Yeah, let's call it 60. Because I'm still trying to make it.
I said 56.
And the winner is.
I win. It's 56. It's 57. Watch.
1. Fifty, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57.
50. I win. I got 57 locks. I said 56. I got 57 locks. I can't believe I got locks.
Go look at it.
First of all, look at this motherfucker. What job do you have?
Living her best life.
What job do you have? We started at 12 o'clock p.m. this afternoon exactly, and it's 7:30, so it took 7.5 hours. But I say it took 6 hours.
I think it took 6 hours
because we took a break.
2-hour break.
It took about 6. I say about 6 hours. And then,
we took 2 45-minute breaks.
yeah, so that's about 6 hours, but that's not including the parting time. So I say this takes about 6.5 to 7 hours total. Well, I have big, thicker locks. Show them my locks now that it's all done. But I'm so excited. So we're not going to interlock them today because today's Sunday and we leave on Friday morning for vacation. So what she's going to do right now is just put it in a simple style. I'll actually just insert the picture instead of keep showing y'all on my phone like we besties. We are besties. And then she's going to retwist my hair Friday. But stay tuned because I am going to be doing my first retwist ever. First wash and retwist ever, which is going to be on this upcoming Thursday, which is only 4 days from now. So that video will be separate from this one, but that's going to be my first wash and retwist. Look, we're gonna go do my edges now.